Hello students. Today it's a turn of bookkeeping. Standard 12, dissolution of partnership. Now most of the times common students, they can easily understand because their basic concepts are clear. That is journal, ledger, these concepts are clear. But there are some students still whose concepts are not clear or they came from some other field, right? So maybe from arts or maybe from science or maybe from some other part where the concepts are not clear. Okay, for them today I'm going to teach dissolution by simple method. It will hardly take 20 minutes to solve the sum. And in exam also you have to solve the sum in 20 minutes. हाँ एकदम से time लगा के. ओके टाइम लगा के करना है एंड इट शुड गेट ओवर इन 20 मिनट्स क्लोजर एवरीथिंग टोटलिंग पोस्टिंग टोटलिंग एवरीथिंग एंड विथ टैली इज इम्पॉर्टेंट ओके नाउ लेट अस बिगिन विथ व्हाट इज डिसोल्यूशन डिसोल्यूशन मीन्स द फर्म इज क्लोज डाउन now why firm is closed down? Obviously because firm is incurring a lot of losses. Now what is the first step they do? They sell all the assets of the company. Whatever amount is received, that amount is used to pay off the liability. Okay, since company is under losses, उनके पास पैसा नहीं है, कहाँ से लाएंगे पैसा, right? So what do? They sell all the assets and money is received. Same money is used for payment, expenses, liabilities, loans, everything is paid out of that. Okay, and the remaining amount, whatever that amount remains, that amount is enjoyed by partners. Is this clear? Very good. Now the accounts prepared. Normally, 3 accounts are prepared. Number 1, realization account. Number 2, partners capital account. Number 3, which account? Yes, cash and bank account. It must tally. Underline, cash and bank account must tally. Okay? Yes. Sometimes, in some cases, you also have to prepare partners loan account. This is the 4th account. That's it. Only 4 accounts are prepared. Maximum 4. Generally, you prepare 3 accounts. Okay. Today, I am just taking a basic question which has minimum 4 adjustments. Only 4 adjustments are there. Okay. Let's start. Yes. Now again, be ready with your pen, pencil and question. Look at the question. Dissolution of a partnership firm. This is a question given which is a basic question here. Let us read the introduction part. Ganesh and Kartik are partners sharing profits and losses equally. Whenever such sentence comes, underline the ratio which is given. So ratio is equal. They decided to dissolve the firm. Dissolve बोले तो close down, liquidate. On 31st March 2018, balance sheet is given. All assets are given, liabilities are given, capital is given. I am not going to read all. नहीं तो हमारा पूरा टाइम इसमें ही जाएगा. Yeah, in the exam, of course, you have to read. Okay, and some basic adjustments are given. Now, steps are there for this. These are the accounts to be prepared. Okay, these are the accounts to be prepared. Realization account, capital account, or you can say partners capital account. After that, cash or bank account. ये tally होना मांगता है. This has to tally. Okay, let us begin with step number 1. I'm dividing this question into some steps. Okay, step number 1. Record all the assets. Repeat, record all the assets on debit side of realization except cash. So don't record cash. Remaining all यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तलक all assets are recorded where? On realization debit side. So I'm recording that, and heading will be to sundry assets, and write down the whole list. First I'm writing first all name of the assets, then I will write amount. Building, you can write short forms also, students. Then furniture, debtors, stock, bills receivable, BRB लिख सकते हो. Still I am writing full. Yes, cash is not recorded. Cash is not recorded. Now let us record all the amounts. 88,000, 12,000, 32,000, 24,000 and 4,000. These are all assets. Put a comma, compulsory. Now cash is not recorded, so what to be do with cash? Of course, we have separate cash account. We'll record there, and the heading will be to balance brought down, and the amount is 4,000. See, cash amount is 4,000. Now I have recorded all assets, right? I repeat my step again. All assets are recorded here under the heading to sundry assets as it is. Record them as it is. And then cash is recorded, cash account debit side. Okay, I hope you are getting this step. Yes, this is step number 1. Now step number 2, record all the liabilities here. So what are the names of liabilities? Creditors, bills payable, not reserve fund. रिजर्व वाला नहीं लिखना है, रिजर्व को रिजर्व में रखना है, रिकॉर्ड आफ्टरवर्ड्स. ओके, रिजर्व फंड, जनरल रिजर्व, एनीथिंग not recorded. So I'll record only creditors and bills payable. And what will be my heading? By creditors and by bills payable. अगर कॉलेज में बोला है बीपी लिखो चलेगा, बीआर लिखो चलेगा तो चलेगा. 18,400 and 5,600. Okay, this is done. Now next part. Next part is to record reserve fund and capital account. तो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला रिजर्व फंड को रिजर्व रखना है. सो विल रिकॉर्ड कैपिटल फर्स्ट, वेयर टू एंटर है ना. अपना कैपिटल अकाउंट है ना, जो अकाउंट हो उसमें डालो कैपिटल अकाउंट. एंट्री बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. एंड व्हाट इज द अमाउंट? 40,000 and 80,000. I hope this part is clear. What was our first step? Record all assets. Record cash also here. Then record all liabilities. And record capital. Okay. Next step. One reserve part is left. We will record it now. 20,000. Reserve part will be recorded in capital account credit side here by reserve fund. Now what is the amount? Amount is 20,000. And what is the ratio? ये amount है 20,000. And what is the ratio? Equally, which we have already underlined. So 20,000 divided by 2 because there are 2 partners. Correct? So it will be 10,000 and 10,000. Is this clear? Now next part. This part is over. This posting is done. If you want, you can take a snapshot of it. Okay. Next part, adjust